Hey everyone, it's Carla again. I'm back from the Medicine Hat Public Library. Today I have a STEAM Saturday for you, and STEAM stands for Science, Technology, Engineering, Arts, and Mathematics. It is a bunch of fun concepts that we get to do experiments and projects around, and today's STEAM Saturday is a really fun cotton ball shooter. All you need to make this is a couple toilet paper rolls, some cotton balls, a little bit of tape, elastic bands, scissors and a hole punch, and then a pencil or something you can use on this end. You could use a chopstick or like a wooden dowel, anything like that. And it's super fun. All you do is you put your cotton ball right in on the end there and then pull this back. And did you see that? It shoots right out of there. So do it once more. So in order to make this, there's only a few little steps, so it'll be a really nice quick project for you. And the first thing we're going to do is take one of our toilet paper rolls and some scissors and cut it right down the center. So now it's open like this, and you are going to roll this so it becomes smaller. See the difference there? Once you have yours rolled, you're going to take some duct tape. You could use masking tape or even Scotch tape might work. Anything just to hold that shape. And I have this really fun star duct tape left over from another project. And then see how it's not quite even on that side? I'm just going to take my scissors and trim that a little bit. Just so that's a little bit more even on that end. And then you're going to take your hole punch. And this you might need to ask for some help with because it is going through a couple layers of tape and cardboard here. And you're going to take one side and hole punch it. And then you're going to flip that over, and then right opposite of that, you're going to make another hole. And that is where you're going to put your pencil or your chopstick, whatever you're using. And so I'm going to stick my pencil through here, all the way through, just like that. And then that part is done. And we're going to put that down and get our second toilet paper roll. And for this, we are going to cut 2 slits, just like that. And you can see it kind of folds forward here. You're going to leave that attached, and then again, opposite of that, you're going to do the same thing. 2 more slits. You can make them probably about a centimeter and a half long. And with those, you're going to take your elastic bands and thread them into there, one on each side. See that? There's one here, and then to seal this up, just take a little bit of your duct tape and stick it right over that and fold it over, just like that. And you're going to do the same thing on the other side. So now you have this side has these little elastic bands flopping around on there. And what I like to do is take another piece of tape and go around the other side. And that's because if you can see this one, where the pencil hits, it dips down from being hit there so much. So I just like to put a little extra piece of tape there just to give it a little extra stability. And it also just makes it look kind of fun. So this is also a time where if you wanted to color your toilet paper roll or put any other stickers or decorations, you could do that. So I'm just going to go right around, trim this off. All right, so I have the outside ready, and then I have my inside. And what you're going to do is you're going to put the small one in the big one, and then take your elastics and pull them up over the pencil on either side. And there you have your cotton ball shooter. So let's give it a try. And I will say this does take a little bit of practice. It took me a few tries to get it right. You want to make sure you are putting your cotton ball inside on that small circle, because that is what's going to shoot it out. Let's give it a shot. Oh, it worked perfect. So this is also something cool. You can either use the pencil to pull this back, or I like to just pull back on the actual tube itself. I find that works well. And I also find that you have to play with it just a little bit. Adjust where the elastic bands are sitting, adjust where the small tube is sitting on the pencil. Try and get it centered in there. And then it also works well with a really quick release. So you put your cotton ball in and do a really quick pull instead of holding it for a long time and then releasing. I found it works really well with a little bit of a quick pull. So this you can have lots of fun with. You can make a couple of them and have some cotton ball wars with whoever you live with, brothers or sisters, mom and dad, grandma and grandpa. Alright, so if you make this cotton ball launcher, make sure you take a picture of it and tag us at MHPublicLibrary on Twitter or Instagram or Facebook. We'd love to see. I'd love to see what type of duct tape and coloring you do on yours and see what yours ends up looking like. If you have fun with this, leave us a comment and let us know. We love to hear from you. If you want to find more fun videos like this and storytime videos and cooking videos and something for the whole family, really, you can check out our YouTube page at MHPublicLibrary as well to find lots of fun stuff. Well, thanks for joining me today. Hope you had a good time. Bye.